everybody, my name is Luiza. I'm a local realtor in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington, and today I want to tell you why our property didn't sell. One big reason why properties don't sell is because of their marketing. Maybe the pictures were not so great, or they don't have a strong presence on social media, but something about the marketing is not working well, and that may really cause your property not to be sold. The second biggest reason is price. If your property is not priced well, you may lose a lot of buyers. Let's say your property is worth $600,000 and you think that you should price at $605,000 so you have some room for negotiating with the buyers. On your mind, you may think that you are making the right decision, and it does sound like a good decision, but in reality, you are excluding all buyers that are looking for properties under $600,000. The third biggest reason is condition. If there are so many things that need to be fixed on the property, that may turn buyers down. The fourth reason is availability for showings. If it's so difficult for buyers to schedule a showing, that also may turn buyers down. And the last reason may be your agent. If your agent is not communicating properly with you, they may not be communicating properly with potential buyers, buyer agents, and lenders that are working with those buyers. If your property didn't sell, it's a great idea to interview with other agents. And if you're looking to interview agents in the Puget Sound, please contact me. I will be happy to schedule a free consultation so we can analyze why the home didn't sell and see what we can make different to sell your home for top dollar in the quickest amount of time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to be happy.